हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक टू आवर सीरीज। और इस सीरीज का नाम है जानिए अपने कैमरे को 1 मिनट में। नो योर कैमरा इन 1 मिनट। एंड आवर टुडेज कैमरा इज Canon EOS Rebel SL3. It is a DSLR, sensor type APS-C. You can shoot with 24 megapixel. You can shoot a 4K video. You have a 3-inch का screen है. Then the lens type is Canon EOS. Now the reasons to buy this camera, they are you have a guided screen options, pivoting screen, and you can shoot 4K video. Why not to buy this camera? You can find this camera small in your hands. So if you like this small video, give a thumbs up. Do subscribe to our channel and join our family. Thank you so much. Keep supporting, keep loving. Gaurav Gawand Photography.